Hello parents! Today I'm going to show you our method for solving multi-digit subtraction problems that involve regrouping. This should be a great tool for you to practice these strategies at home with your child. Our first step is to write out the problem and make sure that our numbers are lined up. So we have 42 minus 17. Notice that I made sure my 2 and 7 were stacked right next to each other, my 1 and 4 were stacked right next to each other, and then our subtraction sign is to the side. Now we always check first with our ones place. Our biggest number needs to be on the top. Since we cannot do 2 minus 7, we need to look over to the tens place and do some borrowing. I'm going to show you two examples. In this example, I'm going to show you a bit of an elongated version that kind of helps build that number sense and just really helps them see what we are actually doing. The other version will be a little bit more straightforward. So in this one, and I'm going to switch colors so that we can see what we're doing, I'm going to take one of my tens away. So I only have 3 tens left. But for students to really see what we're doing, I like to draw a little 10 stick off to the side so that they know what is coming next. Now that we have a 10 stick ready for us to use, we're going to boom it apart into 10 little pieces over on the other side. So this way students can really see the transfer that's happening and understand why this process works. And then of course I need to erase it over here since it's drawn over there. Now I have 10 little ones sitting over here and I need to add it to the 2 that are already over there. So I add 2 more since the 2 is shown right here. Now I count up all of my ones that are on this top part of this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I no longer have 2 ones over here, but instead I have 12 ones. Now 12 is bigger than 7, so I can start my normal subtraction. I know that 12 minus 7 is 5. If I did not know that, I could cross out 7 of these cubes over here. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are left. Finally, I'm going to look at my tens place. I can subtract 3 minus 1, and I know that answer is 2. And now I can box in my answer because 42 minus 17 equals 25. Now I'm going to completely clear this problem away. So do one more sample problem together. This problem I'm going to do a little bit more straightforward. I'm not going to draw the base 10 blocks off to the side or anything like that. So my starting problem this time is going to be 84 minus 35. Now notice that I leave space at the top always, and again, everything lines up. I check 4 minus 5. Since 4 is not the bigger number and I cannot do 4 minus 5, I need to borrow. Again, I'll switch colors so it's a little more clear. So I'm going to borrow a 10, and I add 10 onto this 4. So now I have 14. That's kind of the faster method to do it, but we wait until students really understand why they're doing it to switch to that method. Now I can take 14 minus 5, which I know is 9, and 7 minus 3 I can do because 7 is the bigger number, so 7 minus 3 is 4, and my answer is 49. 84 minus 35 equals 49. So that is our method for solving subtraction problems. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions.